This is Travis. He is now 8 weeks old. He's adorable. He's got beautiful rosetting on him. You can see where his spots are opening into rosettes. The lighter Halloween spots are going to be nice and pretty when he grows older. He is 8 weeks old. He is now neutered. He's been vet checked. He's a healthy boy. He has his first vaccine and he's been dewormed. So he's got a really pretty pattern on him. Come here, big guy. Can you show everybody your face? Hey. Travis. He's fascinated by my camera for some reason. Come here. Come here. Very sweet litter of kittens. These guys are just super dolls. They love attention. They purr. Little purr babies. I don't know if you can hear him purring now. He loves his belly scratches. He's gentle.